Hey, what's up guys? This is Peter from Bilboes, and today we're going to be waxing this 24-foot Robalo behind me. And I'm going to take you through the steps: washing, buffing, waxing, and then wiping down for the finish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Let's get into it. So, we just got done acid washing the boat, and that's going to remove any slime or particles that you don't want to get waxed in, or that's going to scratch the boat from getting stuck in the buffer. And it really just gets all the calcium buildup and all the orange off your hull from water staining and water lines. You want to be very cautious about acid washing when you have bottom paint on there, because it will turn it green. So we actually acid wash this, and you just spray the bottom off and make sure you don't get any acid on that. Now we're going to start our waxing process, and I'm using a Makita dual action with a nice finishing pad on it. Nothing that's going to have any cutting power. We're just protecting the boat right now. And we're using Meguiar's Flagship. It's just it's a leading wax in the industry. And what I like to do is just coat my pad like so, and then just tap it, kind of spread it out, and then go down to a 2, and you just start your, and really all you're doing is just working it in. I like to go side to side. I like to use a big pad because it covers more surface area and we're able to do it faster. All right, so after you've waxed your whole, a whole side of your boat, I usually like to, if it's only a 24-foot boat, I can do the whole side at one time, and then I let it dry for a little bit, about 5 to 10 minutes, wait for it to come to a haze, and then you just wipe off, circular motions, and then go back the other way. Make sure we get every little piece off. You don't want to get any wax on. All right, so that's a wrap on this 24 Robalo. It is very important to wax a dark colored gel coat hull like this. If your paint, it needs less wax because it stays shiny for so much longer, but gel coat, really, it gets so hot to the touch, and in the sun here, especially here in South Florida, will just burn out, and you'll have a faded boat in a matter of a few short years. So it's very important, if you don't have a cover, it's not stored inside, to please wax your boat every 3 months, especially if it's dark colored gel coat hull like this. All right guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about what we just did, feel free to leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. We're gonna give you more videos like these, so let us know what you guys wanna see. And thanks for watching.